Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove watermark using this website. Just go to media.io, get started for free, then select AI tools here. Then you are going to find the watermark remover here. I think it works for images only, I think. Okay, it works for videos as well. So I'm just going to log in, and you can also get like your AI credits for free. Okay, then I'm just going to upload an image, or you can try from one of these videos. I'm just going to try one. You're going to select the brush here, and you're going to kind of select the watermark here. Then you're going to select remove objects now, and it's going to process. And then once it's done, it's going to remove the watermark for you. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.